How are you?
Hi, I am fine. And you?
I am also fine. Anyway, what are you doing here?
I am enjoying the view of nature.
Have you finished your breakfast?
Yes, I did. And you?
I have also done my breakfast. Do you know who is worshipped on the day of Vasant Panchami?
Yes, goddess of knowledge. Ma Saraswati is worshipped. You know, Diwali is also at hand.
Yes, you are right.
What will you do on that day?
First of all, I worship Goddess Lakshmi, Lord Ganesh, Lord Ram, and lit up many ardent lamps.
Did you burst cracker?
No, I am too afraid of doing so.
Me too. Moreover, they are not friendly to our environment.
Yes, you are right. My teacher also told the same thing. Have you heard some things?
Yes, bell ringing.
Let's go, class, and study.
Let's go.
If you want to be fluent in English like Chiranjeev and Divakar, so please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.